all of the work that we're doing with Black Father Family, we're positioning from the lens of public health, right? How do we as Black men, as Black fathers, begin to prioritize our health? We can't leave a legacy if we're not here to leave the legacy, right? And so I thought it was critical for us to begin to have that conversation.
BTC is a perfect place for this event because it demonstrates the commitment that we have and to really establish trust that we are here to build solutions as allies in our journey toward a more equitable health system.
Science is great, technology is great, but the reality is our job is to make sure that we don't lose the one most valuable thing, and that's public trust. We have to make certain that we're communicating and that we're showing as health system or scientists that we care. And particularly when it comes to African American fathers, and this program really is centered on how to get men's health back to health. So these types of conversations are setting that into motion of maintaining and even rebuilding and gaining public trust. And that's why participating in these types of conversations are going to be critical, not just now, but in the future.